start feeding very, very early this morning. Little girl was waiting. She ate mostly the hard food. Just a little bit and freshen the water. I'm in shock that the water is like gone. I let the water go into my house. I really filled it up this time. Trying to figure out what's going on with the water. I have to put that trap cam in. We've got some minimal, mostly birds. Here's the doves. Here's the doves. Here's a little secret garden path. You hear them. I'm going to put some in the brush and the tall shrubs. So far, it's going to rain today. So maybe that's why. But I did overflow the water thing, the water feeder. You can hear them. Have a wonderful day, everybody. It looks like it's kind of quiet today. Oh, I see her. I spoke with the rescue. They're going to grab her soon and spay and neuter. And I also bought a feral cat house. Look at her face. Hi. 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 All right. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Don't forget the feral animals. They are just lost and missed.